Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and Rose, and we're gonna be unboxing the dinosaur robot from Sgile. So Rose and I are here in front of her kitchen, and we have the latest dinosaur robot from Sgile Toys. This is available on Amazon. We will be leaving a link down in the video where you can get this, but let's go ahead and unbox our dinosaur. What do you say, Rose? Okay. So let's go ahead and pop the factory seal. Okay, that's one. All right, there's two. All right, are you excited, Rose? Yeah? Okay. Let's go ahead and open it. There it is. All right. Looks like dinosaur. Looks like we got it upside down. So let's go ahead and pull it out here. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way out. So here we have it out of the box, guys. So this is how it comes out of the box. The manual. Here, hold that, Rose, and show the people. That's the manual. Nice big thick manual here. And then here is the dinosaur. It is in a nice plastic case. There's its remote control. And looks like some assembly required. So we need to read that, Rose? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So Rose is reading the manual while Papa will open it up. So we'll take that part off. So look, Rose, let's go ahead and take out the main part of the dinosaur. And there's the main part of the dinosaur. Let's put him down right there. Then here is our tail. Wiggle, wiggle tail. So it looks like tail just kind of pops right in there like that. All right, we got our tail on, Rose. And then last but not least, I think this is the end of the tail. So let's go ahead and put this tail on, huh? What was that, Rose?
You need to put the batteries on.
Okay. Do we need to charge them first?
Nope.
We don't need to charge them first? Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well, let me see there. It looks like, yes, Rose, we need to charge one of the batteries. So here is our dinosaur finished and assembled. Here is our remote control. We'll put that aside. That'll need a couple AA batteries. And then here is our dinosaur's rechargeable battery, its recharger, and ooh, for battle mode, our darts. So let's open up this bag. Yeah, so here's what came in the little baggie. You have your rechargeable battery. We have a screwdriver to put the batteries in with. We have our battle darts, which fit right in here because this dinosaur does have a battle mode. Ooh, and then here's our charger. So that is it for the unboxing of our robot dinosaur from Sgile. We'll have to charge up our battery and put some batteries in our remote control, and then we'll do a run and review of this. As this dinosaur, it dances, it's got a sensor in its head where you pet it and it reacts, and then it's got this cool battle mode. So Rose and I will do a run and review on that soon here, so you guys can see our dinosaur robot do its battling and its dancing. All right. So with that, guys, remember to share, like, comment, subscribe so me and Rose can bring you some great new unboxings and some run and reviews. So have a great day. Say bye, Rose.
Bye.